Bro, my skin is so dry now. Alright, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaden. This is Kaden James Beauty. Now on my last video, I told you I got a brown package in the mail. Inside it contained two makeup items. One on this end of the spectrum and one on that end of the spectrum for foundations. The first one was the Fenty blurring skin tint. I got shade 10. It's the Eavesdrop blurring skin tint. I really like it. It took me a minute. When I got up and walked around, I liked it. It did blur out my pores more than I thought it did. This is just really harsh lighting that I have on me right now. But now next, I'm going to try a different product. It is the Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r Soft Matte Powder Foundation, which is a little bit on the opposite end. It's probably going to be a little bit more drying. The foundation costs $36. It's the award-winning foundation that forever changed the game, now in a long-wear, light-as-air powder to deliver light to full coverage and a non-cakey soft matte finish in 50 shades for all. It's fast, flawless, easy. I've never tried the actual foundation from Fenty. I've never tried the Pro Filt'r liquid foundation. I guess I should, could, need to, would, but I don't have it right now. I just have this. So let's open it up real quick. Oh, by the way, I got shade 230. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. This is the second item of Fenty I've ever opened. That is nice. That is rich. That is rich. This is the Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r Powder Foundation. Ooh, that's a little light. Baby, that's a little light. Okay, so you got the mirror there, right? It says Fenty Beauty on the mirror. You lift this up. Oh, look at that. Another mirror. It's like a metal back. And then you have your sponge. We'll try applying it with the sponge, we'll try applying it with a brush, and we will try applying it with my own sponge. I don't think you can finger apply it. Whew, okay, this is a light shade. So let me moisturize my face real quick, and then we can try it. I didn't use any primer or anything. This is kind of a naked dive in, balls to the wall. I just want to show you the product. Let's get our little sponge out. We're gonna try this sponge first. And I guess you just rub it on there. Okay, so there we go. We got some product. All right, let's apply. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Okay, I take that back what I said about it being light. This is actually my shade. Do you guys see this? It's a little dry looking, but not really. Why does it actually look like my skin? Now this is impressive. Let me try it with a brush. I want to try it with a brush. Oh, I don't know if this is the right type of brush. Yeah, this is not it. Okay, let me try a sponge. This is my e.l.f. sponge. It's the camo concealer sponge. Okay, I'm just gonna go back to using this sponge. I like this sponge better. I guess I'll just do this entire half of my face. Let me do my nose real quick. Y'all, please tell me you saw that. Okay, watch. You can, I have no words. It's just so beautiful. And if I had all the right primers and products on, this could even be more beautiful. I think I found my new favorite powdered foundation. Actually, I don't own any powder foundations. Isn't that bizarre? I really don't. I want to get the whole sponge in there. Yeah, let's get the whole sponge. Let's do an application on this side. I want to do a fresh application up close so that you can see. Watch. Do you see that? It's hard to see it's hard to see when it changes because it's such a close match to my skin tone. Like, this is my skin color. Now let me do my nose right here so you can see up close. Ready? Can you believe it? This looks so good. I keep putting more and more on. I probably just need to do a thin coat, but I can't help it. Okay, let me do my forehead on this side where my scar is and stuff. I have some redness right there. Oh. Oh. That covered it up. But one last spot is my eyelids. You see how red and discolored my eyelids are? Let me see. Look at the difference. Look how healthy that looks. Watch. Ready? You know the Mr. Clean magic erasers? That's what I feel like I'm doing right now to my face. Just magically erasing the Sharpie off of the walls, which is my face. Let me use a little bit of NARS concealer. I don't have any Fenty concealer. I don't have anything Fenty. I'm going to start buying it though. I also want to try KKW because I've never tried that either. I've been so stuck on certain makeup brands. Like when I got this NARS, I was very impressed and it inspired me to want to reach out a little bit more. But I'm going to blend this in. In the morning, I would probably usually use my finger to blend NARS out, but you know. Okay. Wow. Tell me why the concealer went over it perfectly. Okay, now let's go over that a little bit with some powder. The general called. He wants his coverage back. Oh my god. Look how dark this sponge looks though. That's crazy. This is nice. This is nice. Look at my skin. It's glow. Look at my healthy skin. Let me put some MAC Fix Plus on. Hold on. Oh my gosh. I can't believe how healthy my skin looks after this powder. You guys don't understand. Powder wrecks my face. Any type of powder, as soon as it touches my face, it's like the desert floor cracks Sahara motherfucking desert beach. So that was the Pro Filt'r Powder Soft Matte Foundation in shade 230. I am impressed. Especially after trying the Ease Drop. I'm very impressed. So I hope you guys enjoyed part 2 of this video. Kaden here with Kaden James Beauty. I hope that you subscribe to my channel so that you can keep coming back and seeing me every week. I do have a new channel. It's a vlog channel. So you go give that channel a follow. It's called Kado Vlogs. CADOVLOGS, all one word. My skin is flawless. It is skin-like. I'm impressed. I'm happy. Worth it, honestly. I spent like $60 buying this stuff, okay? It's worth it. Alright guys, I hope to see you next week. I love you all. Go subscribe to my new channel, subscribe to this channel, turn on the notifications for both. Hit the like button, it really helps me out, and I love you. I hope to see you next week. Bye-bye.